What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you connect your iPhone to your Mac or PC and see this, the content of the iPhone could not be read, click restore to restore this iPhone to factory settings. If you have this problem, don't worry, I got you. In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the contents of the iPhone could not be read problem. Starting with macOS Catalina, iTunes has been replaced by Finder, which now manages your iPhone and iPad when you connect it to your Mac. This change has made syncing your devices much easier and more efficient. However, there may be instances where your Mac doesn't recognize your device, which can be frustrating, especially for those who rely on manual backups. In such a situation, you will see a message saying the contents of the iPhone could not be read. But don't worry, there is a quick and easy fix for this problem. So here, as you see, when I connect my iPhone, I get this: the contents of the iPhone could not be read, and it asks me to restore my iPhone. But I don't want to restore and factory reset my iPhone, so how do I fix this? It's easy. I'm gonna show you all the steps. You have two ways to fix this. Let's start with the first method. So the first thing you will do is go ahead and download 3Tools app or iFunBox app. I recommend you to use 3Tools. It's much better and easier. In my case, I will use 3Tools. It's available for both Mac and Windows. Okay, after installing 3Tools, go ahead and open it. Okay, go ahead and connect your iPhone or iPad. Make sure the device with the problem is connected. Okay, my iPhone 12 Pro Max is connected. It's the device with the problem. On the sidebars here, go to Files. Make sure you are on File System User. Okay, here you should find iTunes Control folder. Open it. Okay, you will find some folders. Go ahead and open iTunes folder. If it doesn't exist, just go ahead and create it. Okay, open it. Here, as you see, you will find some files. The first thing you will do is go ahead and back up all these files. Actually, we don't need these files anymore, but if anything happens, you can find them later. So I will back up these files. I will create a new folder on my Mac. I will rename it to backup. Okay, now I will back up these files. Just select them all except the first one. Click export. Okay, the files has been transferred. Okay, after transferring the files, now what you need to do is just delete all of these files. So select them all except the first folder because it's just a back button. Now click delete. Okay, I will go back to the previous folder. I will open iTunes folder again to check if the files has been deleted or not. Okay, the files is no longer here. Now the problem has been fixed. Okay, what you need to do is just reconnect your iPhone to your Mac or Windows. I will disconnect and reconnect my iPhone. I will go to Finder and boom, as you can see, the problem has been fixed. Go ahead and click Get Started and boom, now you can sync your device again, transfer data or explore your device data. The problem is now fixed without restoring the iPhone and without resetting my iPhone. So this was the first method using a Mac or PC. The second method is by using Filza File Manager. So this is my iPhone. Go ahead and open Filza File Manager. Okay, here go to Mobile, go to Media folder, scroll all the way down to iTunes Control folder, open iTunes folder. Now just delete all these files. Once you delete these files, just go ahead and connect your iPhone to your computer and that's it. This is how to fix the contents of the iPhone could not be read. It's pretty simple and easy. You will find the download links below this video. So guys, this is our quick video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.